Hello, I just got a package that I ordered in the mail and I thought I would do a little bit of an unboxing because I'm really excited for this. I pre-ordered this and I've been waiting for it to get here. This shirt is from Graveyard Goods. This is so cool! Okay, I'm gonna change into it and I'm gonna show it to you on. I'm so excited. Look, it's got the sleeves too. Hold on. This is so cool! The Scorpion and Sub-Zero sleeves are so cool. And I love, they match. Can match my Shang Tsung to my Shang Tsung. Haha, yes! And then on the bottom, all of the characters.